Hi guys, so are you struggling with unhealthy gums and a not beautiful looking smile because your teeth are not really white? Well, guess what? I have been reading a beautiful book by Vasudha Rai called Glow. I'm going to link it in the description box below. Therein I figured out a recipe for healthier and whiter teeth. Simple ingredients, all can be found on Amazon. I will link it up. Makes for a great DIY toothpaste that you love to use. Let's get started. Start with 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of activated charcoal. Next we need 6 teaspoons of bentonite clay. Again, this is available on Amazon. Next I've taken 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. You can grind cinnamon or use powder. Followed by clove powder, which is again 1.5 to 2 teaspoons. Next you have meetha soda or baking soda, about 4 teaspoons. Followed by wooden spoons to mix all these ingredients together. The base is extra virgin coconut oil. It helps whiten the teeth. Use a glass bowl or a glass storage bowl for mixing the ingredients and keeping it. Never use a metal spoon or a metal container, as the bentonite clay will lose its beneficial properties, as the negative ions in the bentonite clay will bond with positive charge and many toxins from the metal. I start with extra virgin coconut oil. It's very beneficial for gum and tooth decay. Also helps in whitening your teeth. You can notice I'm using a wooden spoon to do all of this mix. Next, I'm going to add the bentonite clay. This is excellent source of calcium, magnesium and silica, all necessary for healthy enamel. Just make sure to stick to a wooden spoon, especially when you're using the bentonite clay. Next, I'm adding activated charcoal, which is effective in absorbing the stains on your teeth. It binds all the toxins that result in whiter teeth. Clove powder has antifungal, antimicrobial properties that can treat sore gums. Adding cinnamon honestly makes the toothpaste very tasty. Has antibacterial properties which helps in cleaning the mouth. Next, we add baking soda that has a salty, alkaline taste. Its alkalinity helps rid teeth discoloration due to food and drink consumption. Upon mixing, I got a very coarse mixture. So I'm going to add a few more drops of extra virgin coconut oil to get a very smooth paste-like consistency. This is the perfect consistency I wanted the toothpaste in. I'm going to be using the wooden spoon only to put it on my toothbrush. Guys, this is an alternate to your toothpaste. Store it in a clean glass jar. Make sure to use this paste once every day for better results. You can also add peppermint oil to your toothpaste. I just skipped that. Again, use this toothpaste that can help clean and whiten the teeth without the harmful toxins and give you a pearly white smile. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram.